I'm going to share how Pinmicro is set to revolutionize the world of digital twins and what that means for you in 2025. Pinmicro is a groundbreaking technology that's poised to transform the world of digital twins in 2025. This innovation has the potential to make a significant impact across various industries, from manufacturing to healthcare, and everything in between. The beauty of Pinmicro lies in its ability to create highly accurate digital replicas of physical objects, systems, and even entire environments. This level of precision is unprecedented, and it's going to change the way we design, test, and interact with digital twins. As we move forward, it's essential to understand the significance of Pinmicro in different sectors. For instance, in the manufacturing industry, Pinmicro can help optimize production processes, reduce costs, and improve product quality. Similarly, in healthcare, Pinmicro can facilitate personalized treatment plans, enhance patient care, and streamline clinical trials. I'm excited to dive deeper into the world of Pinmicro and explore its vast potential. In this video, we'll embark on a journey to discover how Pinmicro will change the landscape of digital twins and its applications. The main goal of this video is to explore the capabilities of Pinmicro and its potential to transform the digital twin space. We'll delve into the features, benefits, and real-world scenarios where Pinmicro is making a significant impact. As we navigate this exciting journey, we'll uncover the opportunities and challenges that come with adopting Pinmicro. We'll examine how businesses can effectively leverage this technology to enhance their digital twin initiatives. Throughout this video, we'll demonstrate the features of Pinmicro through real-world examples and scenarios, providing commentary on its functionality and impact. We'll also share key moments that showcase Pinmicro's impressive features, including success stories and notable advancements in the digital twin space. One of the most significant advantages of Pinmicro is its ability to create hyper-realistic digital twins. This is achieved through advanced algorithms and machine learning techniques that simulate real-world conditions with uncanny accuracy. For instance, in the aerospace industry, Pinmicro can be used to create digital twins of aircraft engines, allowing engineers to test and optimize performance in a virtual environment. This reduces the need for physical prototypes, saving time, resources, and costs. Another exciting application of Pinmicro is in the field of virtual training. By creating highly realistic digital twins of complex systems, Pinmicro enables trainees to practice and hone their skills in a simulated environment, reducing the risk of accidents and improving overall performance. Pinmicro is also being used to create digital twins of entire cities, allowing urban planners to design and optimize infrastructure, transportation systems, and public services in a virtual environment. This enables them to identify potential issues, test solutions, and implement changes before investing in physical infrastructure. In the healthcare industry, Pinmicro is being used to create digital twins of human organs, allowing researchers to study and understand complex biological systems in unprecedented detail. This has the potential to lead to breakthroughs in medical research, disease diagnosis, and treatment. As we can see, the applications of Pinmicro are virtually limitless, and its potential to transform the digital twin space is undeniable. But how can businesses effectively leverage this technology to enhance their digital twin initiatives? To get the most out of Pinmicro, it's essential to develop a clear understanding of its capabilities and limitations. Businesses must identify areas where Pinmicro can add the most value and align it with their overall digital twin strategy. It's also crucial to establish a robust infrastructure to support Pinmicro, including high-performance computing, advanced software, and a talented team of experts. This will enable businesses to unlock the full potential of Pinmicro and drive meaningful innovation. Another key consideration is data integration and management. Pinmicro requires vast amounts of data to create accurate digital twins, and businesses must develop strategies to collect, process, and analyze this data effectively. One of the most impressive aspects of Pinmicro is its ability to facilitate collaboration and knowledge sharing across different stakeholders. By creating a shared virtual environment, Pinmicro enables teams to work together more effectively, reducing errors, and improving overall outcomes. Let me share a remarkable success story that showcases the game-changing potential of Pinmicro. A leading manufacturer of industrial equipment used Pinmicro to create a digital twin of their entire production line. This allowed them to identify and eliminate bottlenecks, optimize production workflows, and reduce energy consumption by a staggering 30%. This is just one example of how Pinmicro can drive tangible results and transform the digital twin space. As we move forward, we can expect to see even more remarkable success stories and breakthroughs. In conclusion, Pinmicro is a powerful technology that's set to revolutionize the world of digital twins in 2025. Its ability to create highly accurate digital replicas, facilitate collaboration, and drive innovation makes it an essential tool for businesses seeking to stay ahead of the curve. The key takeaways from this video are that Pinmicro has the potential to transform various industries, its applications are vast and varied, and businesses must develop a clear understanding of its capabilities and limitations to unlock its full potential. What do you think about Pinmicro and its potential to change the digital twin landscape? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video informative and engaging, be sure to subscribe for more insights on Pinmicro and other related technologies. Stay tuned for our upcoming videos, where we'll dive deeper into the world of digital twins and explore the latest innovations and trends. Thanks for watching.